Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bank of Yazoo mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Bank of Yazoo mobile app is designed to help customers conveniently manage their accounts from their smartphones. It includes core features like viewing account balances and recent transactions, transferring funds between accounts, depositing checks via mobile camera capture, paying bills, and locating ATMs or branches. It also provides secure login options, such as fingerprint or Face ID where supported, and alert settings for transaction notifications. The app's main feature is its everyday banking dashboard where users can open the app and almost immediately see their current account balance, review recent activity, deposit a check remotely, and initiate transfers or payments, all within its mobile interface. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenience of mobile deposit and account monitoring on their phone. For example, the ability to deposit checks without visiting a branch is commonly highlighted as a major time saver. On the other hand, some users point out that features like multi-bank aggregation, budgeting tools, or advanced investment tracking might not be available, and processing times for mobile deposits can vary. In summary, the Bank of Yazoo mobile banking app may be worth using if you are a customer looking for mobile access to checking balances, transferring funds, and depositing checks on the go. However, if your needs include extensive advanced financial tools or full external account linking, you may find the feature set more basic. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.